Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. In 2004, Toyota introduced a model that would become a cornerstone of family and multi-purpose vehicles in Asian and emerging markets, the Toyota Innova. Developed under Toyota's innovative International Multi-Purpose Vehicle (IMV) project, the Innova was designed to meet the growing demand for a versatile vehicle that could serve as a family car, business transporter, or even a light-duty utility vehicle. It successfully bridged the gap between a traditional minivan and a rugged SUV, combining comfort, practicality, and durability. Exterior design. The 2004 Toyota Innova carried a contemporary yet practical design, reflecting Toyota's global styling cues. Its tall stance and large greenhouse emphasized interior space, while the smooth curves gave it a modern, approachable look. The wide chrome-accented grille, swept-back headlights, and rounded bumper provided a family-friendly presence, while the pronounced shoulder lines and high roofline added substance. Large sliding side windows improved visibility, and the tall tailgate with vertical taillights made for easy loading and unloading. Though not flashy, the design was timeless, appealing to families and businesses alike. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Innova was designed to maximize passenger comfort and cargo versatility. The 3-row seating configuration could accommodate 7 to 8 passengers depending on trim. The second row offered captain's chairs or a bench seat, while the third row could fold or be removed entirely to expand cargo capacity. Upholstery ranged from durable fabric in lower trims to plush materials in higher versions, ensuring it met diverse buyer needs. The dashboard featured a functional layout with large, easy-to-use controls. Air conditioning was standard, with rear vents to keep passengers in all rows comfortable, a must for hot climates. Higher trims also included power windows, central locking, and audio systems with CD and MP3 support, making long journeys more enjoyable. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the Innova offered a choice of reliable powertrains. The most popular was the 2.0-litre inline-4 gasoline engine producing around 136 horsepower, paired with either a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic transmission. In diesel-focused markets, Toyota provided a 2.5-litre D4D turbocharged diesel engine, praised for its balance of power and efficiency. The rear-wheel drive layout, paired with a sturdy ladder frame chassis borrowed from the Hilux, gave the Innova superior durability and load-carrying capability compared to typical front-wheel drive minivans. Despite its size, the Innova delivered a smooth ride on highways and handled uneven roads with confidence, making it especially popular in developing regions. Safety features. Toyota prioritized safety in the Innova, equipping it with dual front airbags, ABS brakes, side impact beams, and a reinforced body structure. While advanced driver aids were not yet common in 2004, the Innova's build quality and reliability gave buyers peace of mind, especially for family use. Market position and impact. At launch, the Innova replaced the aging Toyota Kijang in several Asian markets, carrying forward its legacy as a dependable family vehicle. However, it elevated expectations with more modern styling, improved comfort, and stronger safety credentials. It was marketed in multiple trims, from basic fleet-focused models to premium variants, ensuring broad market appeal. Its versatility made it equally popular as a family car, a company shuttle, and even as a taxi or tourism vehicle in countries like Indonesia, India, and the Philippines. Conclusion. The 2004 Toyota Innova was more than just a new model, it was a symbol of Toyota's adaptability and understanding of regional needs. By blending the durability of a utility vehicle with the comfort of a family MPV, Toyota created a vehicle that appealed to millions. The Innova's success story